Hello everyone, my name is Munawar Ahmad bin Nazir Ahmad. I am the CEO and founder of 𝐷𝐻𝑒𝐻 Telehealth Project for 𝐷𝐻𝑒𝐻 Consultancy Services Sdn Bhd, Malaysia's first knowledge-based digital health technology provider. I am also the director of the Education and Training Bureau, Federation of Malaysian Business Association or FMBA. I will be the speaker for the MyPSA 𝐷𝐻𝑒𝐻 project, the future of pharmacy, Telepharmacy. Telepharmacy is the provision of remote, high-quality pharmaceutical care and pharmaceutical services through the use of secured telecommunications and information technologies to patients at a distance throughout the patient journey from preventive, promotive, curative, rehabilitative and palliative. This is in line with FIP Development Goals 18 and 20, where Development Goal 18 says that access to medicine, strategies in place to widen access to medicines and services throughout a responsive, capable, available and well-distributed pharmaceutical workforce. Systems in place to optimize access to effective medicines and pharmaceutical care services through appropriate supply chains, quality standards, self-care and prevention services, and affordability and fair pricing policies. Access to innovative science and information, new or innovative therapies, new delivery or manufacturing processes. And Development Goal 20, Digital Health, enablers of digital transformation within the pharmacy workforce and effective processes to facilitate the development of a digitally literate pharmaceutical workforce. Systems and structures in place to develop and deliver quality digital health and pharmaceutical care services through the digital literacy and utilization of technology and digital enablers. Configuration of responsive digital services to widen access and equity. Application of digital technology in healthcare delivery and development of innovative medical products. There are two modes of telepharmacy, synchronous and asynchronous. Synchronous is defined as live video conferencing between pharmacists and patients, while asynchronous means the transfer of data between pharmacists and patients and vice versa that may not be live. The types of services that fall under the two modes of telepharmacy are drug information and counselling, chronic disease management and communicable diseases and minor ailments, drug information services, remote dispensing and home delivery, medication therapy management, electronic prescription services, targeted and specialized consultations including quit smoking program, weight management, geriatric pharmacy, diabetic therapy medication services, vaccination, halal pharmaceuticals, and the last, referrals between healthcare professionals. With telepharmacy, pharmacists and patients can meet virtually and have direct interactions for health-related issues, conveniently from their residence, office, or place of comfort, and assurance of privacy. Patients from these cohorts will benefit the most from telepharmacy are rural and sub-rural populations who have difficulty in accessing healthcare professionals and medications, customers who are familiar with digital technology and online purchases, those who work and can't come to the healthcare center or premise, all patients who do not meet appointments and do not want to leave their homes, and caregivers of patients. Medication adherence requires periodic monitoring and evaluation by pharmacists. With the benefits of telepharmacy, a schedule can be arranged between patients and pharmacists to ensure medication adherence and compliance is met. With the benefits of telepharmacy, patients would not need to travel to the healthcare center. This will also reduce the waiting time for both the patients and the healthcare. Telepharmacy can be safe to be used to refill prescriptions as long as measures to ensure the proper process of dispensing and telepharmacy is in order. The 4 steps of the process of dispensing are as follows: verifying the prescription, reviewing the prescription, preparing the medication, and dispensing the medication with proper counselling. The medicines will then be delivered to the patient either through a reliable postal service or by the pharmacy itself through home delivery. There are various issues that relates to building patients' trust in telepharmacy. Briefly, digital literacy of pharmacists, staff, and patients, especially in the rural area and among the elderly. Legislations, rules, and regulations related to cybersecurity, data privacy, teleconsultation is another. Limited access to technology and bandwidth, affordable and user-friendly platforms, and the genuineness of the pharmacists involved in telepharmacy. To address these issues, the concept of AIDA must be conducted. This is a marketing concept to create awareness on the usage and trust towards telepharmacy. In short, the acronym AIDA stands for Awareness, Interest, Desire, and Action. Every measure to ensure cybersecurity must be taken. This involves ensuring that the video conferencing system is HIPAA compliant, ensuring compliance with the Telemedicine Act 1997, PDPA 2010, Digital Signature Act 1997, and also standards set by the MCMC. Moreover, the measures also involves the usage of Virtual Private Network or VPN and data encryption. Besides, an audit trail and a secure data management system should be in place. Next, we must ensure a secure online transaction is in place. A verbal and written patient-informed consent is compulsory, and the identity of both pharmacists and patients must be made known and acknowledged during the start of the teleconsultation. Telepharmacy is the most convenient method for emergency situations that can be resolved by pharmacists through provision of accurate information in matters related to self-care and minor ailments. Pharmacists, however, must be alert on the concept of triage, knowing when to provide such services and when to refer the patients to the general practitioners in primary care or to specialists in the secondary care setting. The burden of non-emergency cases in the emergency departments of government hospitals can therefore be reduced if telepharmacy is practiced. As long as both the pharmacists and patients adhere to the telepharmacy rules and regulations, both pharmacists and patients must also be digitally literate. Patients must trust the security of the platform. Studies have also shown telepharmacy provides equal or higher level of services in comparison with face-to-face interaction. Medication dispensing where the time zones are different and between countries necessitates the fulfillment of laws and regulations related to both the countries. The process of handling medicines that require special handling and controlled drugs is the same as the conventional brick-and-mortar setting of drug delivery. We have to understand that telepharmacy is just the mode of interaction between patients and pharmacists. That is online rather than offline. We are living in the digital era. The use of digital technology is widespread. Consumers seeking health information and medicine buying purchases online is increasing exponentially. With the advancement of digital health, many new jobs are being created. Pharmacists and pharmacy assistants must therefore be ready to learn about digital technology, digital health, so as to provide a holistic pharmaceutical care to their patients. I see more jobs that pharmacists and pharmacist assistants should tap on. Besides the traditional brick and mortar type of practice, we must embrace the future. The future is already here. Be ready. That's all from me. Thank you to my PSA and Saito University College. Looking forward to a better future for pharmacists in the digital era, united towards pharmaceutical excellence. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Munawar Ahmad from 𝐷𝐴𝐻𝑒𝐴𝐻 Telehealth. Thank you.